Hello everybody, this is Max from Anka Engineering Automation. We have a brand new laser welding demo system, 1.7 meter reach robot, 3 kilowatt water cooled laser system. Check this out, for your eyes only. And this will be welding a stainless steel fitting on a rotator without using any wire. Laser welding, as you know, is replacing TIG welding very fast, and it's giving you much better results at heat input and cleanliness of your welds. So make the move, call us up, and we will set you up with the demo.